out. They have a very strong sole that doesn't get worn out. These are the dirtiest shoes here. I have to wash them like this. Shika imekutolea. Hui. Chiko. Bye bye, mommy. Even my member is gone. I don't know how to get you guys. I just hope everything is running out normally. The chats are all gone. The 8 who are watching, have you liked the screen? Have you liked the live? Sorry, not liked the screen. Double tap the screen to like the live. I always wash the shoe sole to prevent it from cracking and also for it to stay longer. Like if you wash them thoroughly, they will take some years before they worn out. Also, it's good to wash them, like if you are packing them, they will not dirtify your clothes. Yeah. So you pack something clean. So I want us guys, once I'm done with the laundry, we head to the kitchen, we prepare something to eat. Some late breakfast. Hey guys, double tap the screen to like the live. We are at 11 likes, guys. We are at 11 likes. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Keep pushing, guys. Keep pushing this live. Once I'm done with that, have to pour the water. Pouring for I know I will go to the bathroom. Thank you for the 12 likes. Thank you so much. The person who just added the like, thank you so much. Let's rinse this. I wanna rinse this. This is the second water. The paint is peeling. Thank you so much, guys.